I'm Susan. Today I'm excited to be participating in a Look for Less challenge hosted by the Latina Next Door and the Blondie Next Door. These two ladies are very talented and I'm very honored to be on their list. I highly recommend you check out their channels. Their channels will be listed in the description box down below, as well as the playlist. If you like content like this, please hit that subscribe button down below. Give me a thumbs up. Ring the bell to be notified when my videos are up. And leave a comment. It helps my channel to grow and none of this costs anything. So without further ado, let's get started. This wreath from Wayfair was my inspiration. I'm using this grapevine wreath I've had probably 15-20 years. And I'm using the rope leaf garland from Dollar Tree. Dollar Tree has had the most beautiful florals this year. And this fall has been no different. I'm really impressed with them. And I have 2 of these garlands and I'm just wrapping it and tucking it in. Now if you want a permanent hole, I would advise hot gluing it. But I just tucked it into the grapevine wreath. We don't use our front door very much and it has a storm door, so it would be protected pretty well. And I thought maybe next year I'd probably be making another one. Once I got the 2 rope garlands on my wreath, I started just tucking in various leaves that I'd pulled off of the stems. And I just tucked them all around. Again, I would like to highly encourage you to go visit these 2 ladies. They were full of inspiration, they're so talented and really, really great. You won't be disappointed. I would like to thank both of them for hosting and co-hosting this challenge. Now the original wreath is an acorn wreath, and I didn't have acorns, but I did have the berries and some little, I don't know what they are, but they're little round, they're not acorns, but you'll just have to wait and see because I have no clue what they are. But I still think it gives it the same look, and instead of the raffia, I just used wheat and some little picks of small flowers, which you'll see in a moment. You can see the berries on the inside of the wreath. I haven't put them on yet. If you know what they are, please let me know. Now, I'm taking the wheat off of the stems, and I just think it's so pretty, and I just think it suited this wreath very well. While I'm working on my wreath, let me invite you to my other channel, Susan's Southern Cooking. I do all kinds of recipes. I do Southern recipes. I do Tex-Mex, all kinds of stuff. The South incorporates a lot. So if you like good food, I think you'll enjoy it. And now I'm just tucking in the wheat around the wreath. I try to just balance it around, and just what I do to one side, I do the other, and just try to keep it balanced the best I can. And to make it to where it's interesting to look at. Here are the flowers I was talking about. I just think these are so pretty. And they had yellow ones also. But I really love this little pop of orange red. And I'm just gonna sprinkle them around in the wreath and just try to make it as interesting as I can. And finally, those things, I don't have a clue what they are. I don't know what they are, but they're pretty. And I think that they take the place of the acorns quite nicely. Whatever these things are, they sure made this wreath pop. The flowers and garland that I used was less than $10. I lost track of how much it was, but I know that it was less than 10. And the grapevine wreath was free, so that equaled a bargain. And here's the finished project. I love it. It screams fall. It's simple, not too foo-foo, but very pretty. I really, really love it. Here's a comparison between theirs and mine. Mine doesn't have quite as many leaves, but I'm really happy with the way it looks. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, please give my video a thumbs up. Please subscribe. Ring that bell. And until next time, bye.